that you already aware a little bit about cloud computing, your day-to-day activities. So basically, what is the concept behind the cloud computing? Why we are currently we are saying is the cloud computing is the emerging one. Why currently everyone is speaking about cloud? Basically, we are depending on desktop systems, like every day-to-day activities. We are going to interact with your desktop system, and wherever you go, your dependency is based on your desktop system only. That now the concept is totally different one. Because you just think about some scenario. Like nowadays, you are using your desktop system for e-delivery your needs. What is lacking? What is lacking? Mainly you are depending your desktop systems. So that in that we think about some different manner. We go with cloud. You go everywhere in the world, open corner. You can access the data. That is a major advantage. There is no dependency. We sticking with your desktop system is not required. You can use your own data anywhere in the world with your handheld device. Like nowadays we are using it and everything. Based on that, anywhere, any device, you can access your data. Like if you are using mobile phones, okay? Not only mobile phones, what are the handheld devices available, you can access your own data. So that now the concept is totally different one. So now we are moving from your desktop system into cloud. So whatever you are having your data, you can store on the cloud. Like nowadays, each and everyone you are using cloud data. You are aware or not aware, but basically you are using. Like you are using a Gmail, Hotmail, okay? And apart from that, some social networks like Facebook. So these are the things. This is one of the cloud concept and the cloud hosted applications. So nowadays we are using. So someone, they are definitely aware, someone not aware, whatever it may be, but you are already moved into the cloud. That is a fact. Today we are going to discuss the emerging trend in the cloud, so that whenever you require question, just you ask, don't hesitate. Okay? Because it is only for discussion. It is not a presentation or not a one-way communication. Okay? It is for discussion. We are thinking about a technical topic is called cloud and virtualization. It is a topic we are going to discuss between us. Okay? Don't hesitate. You can ask any question at any point of time. So that what are the trends available in the market and everything we will discuss. But basically, we are going to discuss some basic stuff. These are something we are going to discuss, like discussion on cloud. So what is cloud and the cloud concept, definitions. What are the components we are going to use inside your cloud, and what are the advantages available in cloud and the demerits, concerns we are having, what are the concerns available in cloud, and the security point of view. Because everything in cloud means the security is one of the major issues. So what are the security issues, concerns available in cloud, then cloud types. What are the providers available in the marketplace? And then what is virtualization and cloud architecture? Virtualization, how it will be contributed to the cloud. So that these are some basic stuff we are going to discuss today. These are the things, some basic stuffs in your mind. Like, why we are thinking about cloud? Each and everyone having different needs. Like, if you are a student, your needs will be different one. Like, I need to use my data in the cloud, like mailing and some photos and some data using some drives. Okay, this is your needs. That's all. And apart from that, if you go with like a project or something, you need to load infra how we can going to use and how your development activity move into the cloud. It will be different. This is your area. And apart from that, you think about medium, small and large scale companies across global. Each and everyone having different need. Like a small company, their need will be different. Medium company, their need will be different. And a large scale company, their need will be different. So what are the needs? Like small companies, they are not able to spend large amount of money for their infrastructure development and manageability. Okay, so suppose you are going to start a company with a few friends and a few for your investment some fund, but you are not ready to make all your infrastructures. Like we require 550 servers and what are the licensing and softwares, everything going to involve your development activity. You are not ready to spend that much amount at the moment. Okay, but in the business, maybe you can get a loss or gain. That is a net result based on your work and efficiency. So that this type of thinking available in the each and every business persons. Okay, so that they are basically investment in the IT infra as well as the management point of view and what are the hardware, software and the licensing part, everything is required. They will be keep in mind, they need to take a decision. We think about medium scale companies, it is very much trouble. The large scale companies like you think about IBM, HP, HCL, Wipro, TCS, CTS, these are the some high multinational companies. They will take decision anytime, anyway, that is not a problem. But you think about medium companies, the medium developed companies, they require each and every decision based on the IT department wise and the investment and the feedback and the manageability, everything they need to take a decision in the right manner, then only they will shape their business. Otherwise they will be in big trouble. So what is your requirement? So each and every person have a different one thing. Like the first person is having infrastructure requirement, and the second person is required some business point of view, and the third person is required some maintenance and scalability, and the fourth person, like your type of student, like we are going to share some photo mail on the internet. So apart from that, few companies having lots of infrastructure, IT infrastructure. Okay, they need to use it. Okay, they are having surplus of IT infrastructure, they are going to use it. So how we can use it the cloud, and what are the surplus infrastructure? Apart from that, some of the companies, development companies, they are having infrastructure and they require some software and middleware in the cloud. So each and every person is having a different requirement. So that this different requirement we need to get into the cloud. So each and every decision, it is money involved. Suppose if you are a student, you are going to take some development activity in the cloud. So suppose you require two server like Windows 2008 or Windows 2012 server, and some of the database like Oracle or SQL or some other database is required. And apart from that, front end softwares like what are the software front end we are going to development, and based on that software development you are going to make a small setup. So it is required 10 to 15 days. Suppose you are in the remote place, you are going to purchase all the things and make the arrangement. It is possible. It is a lot of money involvement. Like you require 2 to 3 computer with like 16 GB RAM, and based on that there is some amount of storage and network and everything should be involved. So instead you can go with cloud, the same your requirement within 10 to 15 minutes you can get it. Okay, you can start your activity immediately. You can start your development immediately. Within a 2 weeks period of time, you can develop your own, what are the requirements based on that, you can develop your own software and you can test it.